Y'all, we've done this before. Kamusta yung PBB journey ko? Siguro yung comeback. The comeback has been a roller coaster talaga. We went rank 12. We went break 4 bigla. It's been a roller coaster of emotions. It's a wild ride. Wild card ride. But I love every single part of it and I have no regrets. I felt every single emotion that I needed to feel and I feel the growth right now, even through the hype, guys. And yeah, I just want to give a thank you to Kuya Nanang and PBB, of course. Sa second labas ko, yung una namin ginawa, kami lahat, of course, nag-after party. Pero hindi pa ako nag-shot, syempre, as a minor. Hindi ako nag-shot, more of nag-party-party. Nagkita kami ni Donnie. That's one of the first things I did. When I got my phone in a plastic bag, I took it out. Kuya Robbie took me to Donnie, took a selfie. And I went home and I saw my family. Yeah. Uy, charis, wala pa akong ganyan. Una kong tinawagan. Yung mom ko, tinawagan niya yung lola ko and then my best friend who came with me called my other best friend. So I was just calling my family and my friends. Secret na lang yung iba. Charis, wala po yung kasama. Actually po yung unang social media app na chinek ko, si Esnir po kasi kinuha niya yung cellphone agad nung nakikita na may hawak akong cellphone. So yung una po niyang chinek is yung account ni Esnir po sa Facebook. Me, yan na lang po yung nakita ko kung anong pinakita ni Esnir. And then I opened my IG. So it was Facebook because of Esnir and then IG. Oh, here! My favorite experience talaga sa PBB is the comeback, of course. Nung lumabas kami ni Ralph Nagum, tas na-announce na comeback ako, feeling ko parang na-edit na ako na parang, that's my girl. So yun yung tumatakbo ko sa isip ko. And I hope I find an edit like that soon. But yan po yung favorite memory ko, yung comeback po talaga namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin ni Esnir. Of course, had all of my Mindanao girlies, my queens, my Visayas, my Mindanao, my Luzon, and my OFWs out there. I love you guys to death. Nandito po kayo sa puso ko. And I hope you guys have a good sleep at night and masarap yung ulam nyo every single day. I love you guys and God bless you.